Do you love losing micro losses?
I just feel like I don't want to go full blown and say I'm a masochist, but I think that like when I find the pain in the day or like the pain in the month or the pain in the year of like, I'm like, there it is. Like I found it, you know, like because you know it's coming.
Do you think that, so I'm on board with that. Now I'm going to ask you a real 301 version of this question.
Okay.
Do you think you even subconsciously create it?
I think I seek out situations that make the pain happen.
Me too.
I think I seek out the situations where I know I'm not quite ready, and I know that the organization isn't quite ready, or I change something really fast, and I know it's like a hard left turn, and you're gonna get like your neck yanked on it. And so, but yeah.
But you genuinely believe it's right.
Yeah.
Like I love when my executives are like, we can't do that. I'm like, you don't understand. I'm in charge and I think it's right.
Well, I genuinely...
Like I understand what's going to be wrong about it. I understand everyone's going to cry. I know Slack's going to blow up at Vayner and be like, this fucking guy. Yeah. I know what's going to happen, but it's my job.
Yes, it is your job, actually.
It's my fucking
job.
So
it is actually your job. So I don't know if people get that about that role that you're in is like, that's actually your job. And people don't want to work at your company if you aren't able to make those choices. But it's part of the job and it means the job is painful.
The difference between a great CEO and not one is one knows that they're a parent and one thinks they're a babysitter.
Yeah.
It's your job.
It's your job.
It's your fucking job.
It's completely integral to the role. So I think that I know that the pain is like, going to be created, but it does. I also think that I think I know is life is short, right? Like when you think about life
and long.
It's so short in life and long in the sense that like, if I think to myself, I could do this thing now, or I could do it in a year.
I actually think what you're saying, which is a lot of fun for me as well, is like, you don't want to regret what entrepreneurs have. And you are absolutely a purebred entrepreneur, in my opinion, which is probably the biggest compliment I could give you. We're too scared to regret not dying on our own sword.
Yeah. Yeah, the worst thing that could happen for me is that what I'm up to gets boring for me, or that we didn't take enough risks to find out where the edges really were of like.